Once you're done smoothing out your pot and everything's how you'd like it and you've cut the lip, the next step would be to finish up your pot project using a stamp that you've created. Several examples of stamps are located right here. And if for some reason your stamp didn't turn out the way you wanted it or you don't like it, you may borrow a friend's stamp, or there are a number of stamps that are in the buckets by the door on that desk. Examples of stamps. So this person used a kind of step stamp. Then they took a clay tool and poked holes and drew a line. That's how they got their pattern, and they repeated it all the way around their pot. Another example, this student, they actually used this type of stick and they hand drew this design. And then they used their stamp to actually create their stamp pattern right there down at the bottom while they hand drew at the top. You're welcome to do any combination of hand drawing or using your stamp. This person had a V-shaped stamp, you can see right there, and then they just took a clay tool and put those dots in. You're welcome to do whatever you like. To get started though, what I would do is get a piece of extra clay. If you don't have any, there's some on my desk. Smooth it out, smush it down, and play. Here's the stamp. I'm going to test it out. So I rock it back and forth to get a good indentation. Okay, that one looks pretty cool. Oh, this is something different I haven't seen, so check that out. Okay. Maybe I want to do something with this one. And I've got that swirl in the one corner, rocking it back and forth. Then I'm going to try and line up the swirl in that corner. So I can take and repeat stamps and get a neat pattern by rotating it once each direction. Something like that. So that makes kind of a neat pattern. You can try any number of things. It's your choice. If you don't like something, get one of the clay ribs and just erase it. Okay, and start over. This works on this clay, and it will also work on your pots. Now for this pot, I have started doing a design using this stamp going all the way around the pot. So what I'm going to do is fingers go inside, and I'm going to line up where that stamp ends, and I want to line it up here. I'm pressing in with my fingers on the inside, and I'm kind of rocking it back and forth to get to the other side, because your pot is round and your stamp is flat, which makes sometimes life more difficult. But then I got an indentation like this. Now I have a little bit of like clay burrs here, so I can just take and smooth those out. Then I would continue doing the same thing. So imprint the stamp, rock it back and forth, fingers inside to support it. Remember, this is plastic clay. It will very easily move. And I've got my stamp. So I'm going to do that design all the way around my pot. I might continue on with hand drawing down here, whatever you'd like. Once you're done, on the bottom of your pot here around this ring, please write your name. So I'm going to write Mrs. Fry. R-Y. And write the 5th grade and whatever day you come. So if I come on 5C, I'd write 5C. Okay. We're going to put these in our bags, let them dry slowly, lots of air, so they can slowly dry out. Then we'll open that up and let them dry and get them ready to be fired in the kiln. Thank you.